So yeah, my name is Phani Tetali. So ever since 2009, I've been associated with IDC as a faculty member, and I teach animation, character design, comic books, sequential storytelling, and game design. So I've been enjoying the past 10 years out here in IDC. I think this is a very nice time to be alive. That's what I feel. This is a fantastic time to be alive, to be able to express your thoughts and things like that. Because if you're able to look around you, you're going to find stories all around you. Because we're all not people, we're actually stories. And each one of us has a story behind us. And I think if we really look around, there's so many stories going on around us. We can pick any one of those. But I think what's really going to bridge the gap between an idea and completion is the rigor. And I definitely think rigor and discipline is needed for animators. This is India Design Project, #Indian Design Family.